Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Sharita, and in today's video I'm going to be moving some items around, hanging pictures and art pieces, and most of these decisions have been inspired by you. We will be moving the chairs from the kitchen to the living room, from the living room to the dining room, and then we already have one of the chairs in place in the bedroom, and I'll be moving the other chairs in the guest bedroom upstairs later. Then we are going to add the spice to the living room wall, hanging some metal pieces in the kitchen area, and also add some art to the walls and move some pictures around in the guest bedroom, as well as adding those lamps back in there. So we will be doing that in this one video. So please stay tuned. And just an FYI, this will not stay in the space. It used to be in the front entrance, and I'm actually selling it. I purchased this metal art a while ago for my bedroom, but decided to put it in here. And this is the perfect way to start off with mixing metals. Purchase something that already has mixed metals on it, so it will be easier to incorporate those mixed metals together. So one of the subscribers wanted to see these high back chairs over here in the dining area, which I've had them here before, but the main thing they wanted to see was these low back chairs in the living area. So I'm going to move those over into the area. So now we're going to hang these Starburst on this accent wall. They used to be over the guest bed, but I have redecorated the area and they were no longer in the room. So one of our YouTube family members, Fanovi, suggested that we hang them on this accent wall, and I agree, but the Starburst does not stand out that much, so we shouldn't have an issue there. All right, my YouTube family, you have really inspired me to move forward with incorporating the Tiffany blue and turquoise in this room to coordinate with the bathroom that is connected to it. I'm going to swap out these pictures. I'll be using the lamp shades from these lamps on the Tiffany blue lamps. One of the lamps were lighter, so I'll put the lighter color lamp in the corner and the darker lamp in front of the window to give the illusion of them being the same color. And it worked. And these are the picture hanging hooks that I use to hang my pictures. So many people ask, and I highly recommend them because they leave such a small hole in the wall. It's very unnoticeable. I get a lot of questions about this paint color. It's the Sherwin-Williams Warm Stone. It's the same paint color that's in my dining room. This one is in the eggshell finish. So now we're in the guest bathroom, and if you haven't seen the video of me updating this space, I'll leave the link in the iCard as well as the description. I'm just changing out the light bulbs. This is one of those simple tasks that I keep forgetting to do because I don't use this space that often. So I'm just changing them out. I purchased them from Amazon, and I'll leave a link to them in the description for anyone who's interested. All right, everyone, thank you all for your suggestions, and I'm going to go ahead and do some cleaning up and moving around off camera so we'll be ready for our fall home tour. And thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Be on the lookout for the fall tour that should be coming shortly after this video. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day.